again with Beauty and the Stamper, and I had to show you my new fun tool. It is an engraver. It's by Hardell, and I put everything back. We're going to do an unboxing because I've already checked it out and I love it. And I'm going to tell you how I used it because it's not the way you would think. So this is an actual pen. So if you've used other engravers like I have, they're always big and bulky, and trying to write with it is just so hard. But this one actually writes like an actual pen. So that's cool. It also recharges the battery. So it comes with a rechargeable battery in here that you put in here, and then you can just recharge it. So it is wireless. It comes with multiple, and they're all the same. They're not any different. Well, actually, I'm looking at this, and there's two different types. There's three that are actual straight engravers, and then there's some with little balls at the end. I don't know what the balls at the end are for, unless it's for a bigger engrave. But I'm going to leave one out. We'll put the rest in here. And then underneath, you've got your instructions and a little Allen wrench tool. And then we've got these little guys here. So we've got some stencils. So if you ever wanted to stencil anything, you would hold this against there, against your project, and then you would outline or color in and be able to emboss those, or engrave those rather. So what you're going to do is, there's these two little pieces in here, and I don't know exactly what they're for. Probably looking at directions might help. But this is the Allen wrench, and all you do is you stick this guy in here, and then you're going to take your Allen wrench and tighten that up. So once you get it tight, then you're good to go, and you can engrave. And I'll just show you. That's it. And then you just write. And so I just engraved my name on there, and it's so nice. So you ask, what else did I use this for? Is we were putting some sunflowers together, and I had a little like a little cup, you know, and so it had no holes because it was like a Jello cup, right? Like if you'd ever had Jello shots or anything like that, or been to the hospital. So I had that, and all I was able to do, this is going to be a lot harder, but you just take that, and I was able to put little holes in the bottom of the cup so that it could drain. So I thought that was really cool. Well, I hope that wasn't anything, because I just lost one. I'll keep the other one there, and then I'll look for that one, which I don't see, but we'll see if I can find it. But I thought I would share that with you, and I thought that was really cool. Now, if you keep it out and about and just in the box, you can keep everything like that. But if you're going to put everything back the way it was, you do have to take this out each time. So I'm going to keep things just like that. I don't have a problem with making sure that they're in the right spot, as long as I keep the box. So let me know if you like this. Let me know how you would use an engraving tool. And if you want, I can put the link in the description for you. So, all right, beauties, I hope you like this. I definitely do. I've had a fun time using that, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
You like watching me make something, then subscribe to my channel.